Hey guys, so in today's video I have a thrift flip. I know you guys are gonna love it, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this chair I picked up from Goodwill, and I know it looks really good as it is, but you guys know I have to flip it. I have been looking for a chair that I could flip for a very long time, and I wanted one that had this type of a I don't know if it's snake skin or crocodile skin, but I just love the texture of the leather. And if you remember the furniture store that I took you guys to a couple weeks ago, there was one at their store in a silver color. Now it was much different. It was a side chair, and it was beautiful, but it had the same textured seat, and it was in silver, a silver metallic. And so yes, when I saw this the same day, I left that store, went to Goodwill, and bam, there she was. And I had to get it. So let me get a little closer so you can see where the problem lies. Now, you see the little hairline cracks right here? Okay, so it's one here, and it could have been one there, but maybe they repaired it, I'm not real sure. But then there's another one right here. Okay, and so this is another thrift find that I will be flipping. And this is just an urn that I picked up at Goodwill. And it was actually, I think it was $5.99. Yeah. And the week that I got it, it was half price. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip that. I'll probably leave the silver, I know I will, with a little touch of gold, because that just works right into the decor that I use. And then where you see the brown, it's kind of like a brown and a black, I'll be painting that out in an ivory color, and then leaving everything that you see silver and gold. So that should be a pretty easy flip. And then we're gonna do the chair. So what I have for the chair, I have some plastic wood filler, and the guy at Home Depot said this is what I needed, this would work. And so I'm gonna give it a try. If it doesn't work, then I'll move to plan B. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just squeeze it onto the crack. Like so. Okay, so now you can see the crack a little better now that I put the filler inside. And I'm just going to take a damp cloth, this is a paper towel, and just wipe the excess off of the chair. And so if you guys are wondering why I'm in my master bath, that's because this is going to be the chair to my vanity. It's going to be beautiful, guys. Okay guys, so I've already put the first coat on the wood part of the chair. And so what I'm going to do now is to show you guys how I'm going to cover the seat. Okay, so what I have here is I poured a little bit of the paint in a container, and then I have a little container of water because I want to keep my brush diluted. I want to keep it wet so that it will help to spread the paint easier. So I'm going to put a little paint on my brush. I should have wet the brush first, but yeah, I really should have. But I'm gonna dab a little bit in the water just to dilute that a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to the chair. And this is just going to help to spread the paint a little evenly. Okay guys, so as I sit and look at the chair, I'm rethinking my color choice. I'm telling you guys, Lord knows better than we do. So initially I was gonna paint the whole chair ivory. Well, I couldn't decide, do I paint the whole chair ivory or do I paint it silver? And late last night I decided, oh, do the whole thing ivory. And so now as I painted the seat in a gray, I'm thinking maybe I'll paint the seat silver and paint the chair ivory. The wood part of the chair ivory. I don't know. It could be pretty that way. Well, my next move is to go ahead and put a second coat on the wood part. I am going to do it in ivory, and then we'll see what I think. I may take it upstairs to the bathroom. I had to bring it downstairs because I was working on it and my husband was asleep. And so I'll take it back upstairs and see if I like it upstairs with the silver or, you know, grayish color on the seat cushion. Stay tuned. And guys, don't forget, while you're waiting between coats to dry, you can put your paintbrush in a baggie and that will keep it soft until you're ready for the second coat. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let you see from a distance. Let's see, back up a little bit. Now, I think this is the way I'm going to go. Now this is still the base coat, so I think I'm going to keep the wood white or ivory, and then I'm going to paint the cushion silver. So the silver paint that I'm going to use is one that I used on some of my other furniture, and that's the Elegant Finish metallic paint, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I think it looks great. And so I did a slight whitewash on the wood part of the chair. And I'm still not sure if I'm done yet, but for now, I just want to live with it and see what else I might want to do next, if anything. And then I like the way that the seat cushion turned out. And you get to see the embossed pattern just like I wanted. So guys, please come back on Friday and I'm going to share my Mother's Day retreat with you guys, and so this will be part of the retreat, and then I can just share how everything came together. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys come back on Friday. It'll be a nice treat for you.